And working together with other jurisdictions, we've also managed to launch ZimSat 1 and ZimSat 2, which gives us geographical coverage in our country in terms of the utilization of satellite technology. And working together with other international partners, we believe we're going to achieve in that particular arena. And in order to ensure that we've total coverage in our country, we've managed to roll out within a target of 2 years now, the Zim Digital Phase 2 project, which will seek to ensure that infrastructure related to ICT, related to broadcasting equipment, including transmission equipment, is set up across the country. The funding is also being put in place in order to guarantee media sovereignty. At the same time, the national e-learning strategy is part of human capital development in terms of the development of information systems. And the Ministry of ICT, Postal and Courier Services is also running a number of initiatives working together with the respective suppliers, with the respective service providers, that Zimbabwe as a country does not only consume such technologies, but there is collaboration, there is cooperation between the respective countries or the particular institution and Zimbabweans in order to ensure that there is a transfer of technology to Zimbabweans. So these are some of the measures that under the leadership of His Excellency President Edin Nangam, we have also managed to ensure that we are not left behind in the fourth industrial revolution. But on the policy side and the legal side, we also now have the Cyber and Data Protection Act, whose primary purpose is to ensure that there is security and safety in the utilization of technology. And at the same time, guaranteeing through penalties how best criminals that abuse social media platforms can be dealt with in terms of the law, in terms of the criminal codification legislation. So these are some of the measures that ensure that evolution's negative side does not affect social, economic, and political developments in our country. So the evolution of information systems will continue, and Zimbabwe has done everything in its capacity in order to ensure that we also participate in the fourth industrial revolution.